Chances are, if you're a first-time buyer and currently rent, you may have had a run-in with a utility bill provider. I know I have. Having been a mortgage advisor for over 15 years, the amount of credit-related problems due to utility bill providers I see on credit files is staggering. It's without doubt the most common area of missed payments I've ever seen, and a pattern which emerges far too much. In this video, I look at the reasons this happens, how it affects your mortgage application, and what you can do about it to ensure you do not receive any future problems. Let's go. Hi, my name's Alex Kerr. I'm a qualified mortgage broker, and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process for first-time buyers, as well as providing the best credit scoring and money-saving tips. Let's get into the vid. So unlike our industry as a mortgage broker, which is heavily regulated, I think utility bill companies are allowed to get away with too much. The communication is often poor, the salespeople explaining tariffs is confusing, and often leaving out important information, which can result in huge bills and ongoing disputes. I know this from my own experiences as well. So how can we avoid these issues? Understanding the tariff. This is what I want to talk about first. Fixed costs often confuse the user. For example, if you have a £200 a month fixed cost, it can seem like whatever energy you use, your bill will not be more than £200 per month. But this is not the case. It means that your bill is estimated at £200 per month. These estimations can sometimes be well below the actual usage. If over the course of the year the fixed cost is £200 a month and the energy you use is £300 a month, this means at the end of the year you are suddenly hit with a £1,200 bill. My advice is to set your monthly costs by at least an extra 50% of the estimate. And once you've had 3 months worth of usage, you'll be able to see your actual usage and then make any adjustments. It's also well worth noting that in the winter months, your usage is going to be higher. This is another area that causes problems as adjustments are not made. You carry on paying the fixed costs, which represents the usage in the summer. My advice is to set your bill higher, and any overpayments made during seasons of lower usage will therefore be available in seasons like winter, where the usage will be higher. Using a utility bill management service. By using a utility bill management service, you are able to easily switch your energy supplier and manage your account ongoing. You will receive alerts for when your deal is coming to an end and be provided with a mortgage broker style sourcing system which enables you to find the best tariffs and filter the best benefits. After researching the options available, we found the Uswitch service to be our favourite based on ease of use, a system which provided clarity on the providers, tariffs and benefits, and the ongoing management from that point, such as alerts if a new tariff is found at least £50 cheaper than your current one. By using a utility bill management system, this will give you a much greater insight and understanding of your usage and keeping on top of your bills, meaning no more disputes, no more confusion, and a much better chance of obtaining a mortgage without these utility-related missed payments and defaults. I've left the link in the description to the Uswitch service, as well as a video tutorial on how to use it. I would sign up to this service as soon as possible, and the sooner you have moved into your property, rather than being left with the default provider whose tariff you know nothing about. What to do if you have a dispute? First of all, I hugely recommend either paying the bill or sorting out a monthly arrangement should you be in a position where you've had an energy bill unexpected or issues paying the bill. In the long run, this will hugely benefit you when thinking about mortgages, as the one thing you do not want is a missed payment, default or CCJ relating to your utility accounts. This may be really difficult, especially if you feel the situation is not your fault. I would hugely recommend paying the bill first and looking to claim the money back after, as if you do end up with adverse credit, you will lose a lot more when obtaining a mortgage, as the rates and fees will be a lot higher. Today's question: have utility bill blips stopped you from getting a mortgage? Let me know in the comments. This week's credit score tip. If you have had any disputes with utility providers and are not sure how it has affected your credit, you need to check your credit file as soon as possible across all credit agencies. We recommend using Check My File to do so, as this will provide a multi-agency report providing you all credit files on one report. The link is in the description. You could obtain a free credit report as long as you cancel within 30 days. Mortgage warning. Please note, we do need to let you know that your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up repayments on your mortgage. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope it's provided you with some useful tips that will provide you with value. Please check out the show notes for a recap on today's video with access to any links discussed today. Please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive further notifications when we release our videos. I've been Alex Kerr, providing the best tools and tips to first-time buyers. I look forward to seeing you